Yes, sir.
Take it away.
Yes, sir.
You're live on YouTube. Live stream on Facebook. That's Doc.
One,
He's also an artist.
two, smile.
Pag Educators Arts Guild. Sama ko siya.
Okay.
Mag-subscribe kayo sa channel niya.
Like and subscribe.
Alright, thank you so much. Ayan, sa, mag-speech yung Councilor. Thank you so much. Please welcome sa stage po ang ating na Councilor Leandro Llaman. And he'll be here sharing some speech for us. So, plakpakan po natin si Councilor. Thank you so much.
Calling on June 11. Kindly sing a song for us. Art, bati gitara teta. Magayok mo tinalak niya gitara. Already speech there. Let's listen to the famous June. My idol. Nung estudyante ako, ilang kahon na beer ang naubos namin sa isang gabi. Makinig lang sa kanya. Ganun siya. Ganon kami hindi, na-addict kami sa kanya. Dapat gitara tayo? Mag-jam na lang tayo. On the available gitara? Maganda.
Kahit kulang ang string.
May. O sige, may yung gitara ko. Ganda umay, Ada. Okay. Ay, Brian, umay. Okay, so ni Brian ito. Okay. Anyway, sige, I'll finish the task assigned to me. Sorry, Jun. Isang maulan, malamig, ngunit maalam na pagbati sa inyong lahat. I came here because it's Art Lozano's birthday. Let's all pray and wish him well, including his family. I came here to eat with you and to appreciate the beautiful art pieces displayed in today's exhibit. So, to Brother Art, happy birthday. They say, art is life, and life is art. Vice versa. So my message is very simple. To those who came to display their exhibits, congratulations. And to the other artists who came to also appreciate those displayed upstairs, we also say kudos for coming. So let's all sing happy birthday to Art. Okay? Wala pa yung gitara pero a cappella. Let's sing together. Happy, happy,
Happy birthday.
sa'yo ang pulutan, sa'yo ang inumin.
Happy, happy, happy birthday.
Sana'y
Magkiko kami.
yung nagsabi doon, hindi ako. Okay? To Art, happy birthday. May you have more birthdays to come. And
Alright.
let's go upstairs.
Ayun, maraming salamat po, Councilor. Yan, so this next part of our program, we'll be inviting everyone na taas po tayo sa gallery for the official ribbon cutting. Ayan, so tara, akit na tayo. Let's go!
Matagin mo naman. Sipasip.
Simon and Garfunkel. Daniel Dumagin. Daniel. Si Daniel. Okay, saan si Johnny Bird? Mga shoe names yan ah.
Sila po ba lahat?
Ilang piraso ang dayami? Uy, bakit ka piraso?
Tapos lapit po kayo dito sa may iwan.
Lucky Mata. Saan si Lucky Mata? Marky Barredo. Mary Ann. Saan si Mary Ann? Wala rin.
Lapit po tayo sa
Saan si si Mimo? Sino Mimo? Sino si Nance? Ikaw si Nance. Node 75. Si Ramster. Ikaw si Ramster. Rote. Wala. Sab. Oh, may kilala kong Sab. Si Guada. Uy, hindi ko ba sino yan? May ibang pangalan. Valerie. Naku, wala.
Nabaha po kasi yung iba.
Kabaha. Saan si Art? Yung sa brother? Art, you join us. Yan. Tuloy na natin yan. Sige.
lapit po tayo.
Nakailang na ako dito eh. Ilang beses na akong nag-ribbon cutting dito, Art.
Hindi po,
Many times.
Ay, meron ka na pala dyan.
Okay, the girls.
Forward po po tayo.
Okay. Sige.
Sige po. Pwede din po. Yan. Forward po.
Okay. Signal.
Signal.
Okay. Mind your odor. Okay, sige. 5, 4,
3, 2, 1.
okay, cut na. Naku, hanga. Naku, ayaw. Ay, Travis. Ayos.
Meron pen sa taas.
Feels of happiness. Happiness.
Thank you.